Welcome! This is how you clean a paintbrush. First, you put soap on the bristles. Then, you scrub it on your hand. Get all the hairs nice and soapy. All the paint is gonna start to come out of the hair. Once you feel like it's nice and soapy, you take the brush and you slam it in water and you push hard. Don't be a pussy. Push it hard. And then all the soap is gonna come out. And then you take the wire brush, you put the brush against the table and you scrape. All the dry paint will come out of the hair. And you want to go in one direction on all sides. When you do that, you go back into the water. And you keep doing it until it's perfectly clean. And that's Painting 101 with Micah Kavros.